Welcome. Probably most of us dream of owning a trouble-free car. But have you ever wondered why it is so important to check the vehicle history report with service data before making a purchase? We invite you to watch a short film on this topic.
When considering the purchase of your dream vehicle, the vehicle history report is an indispensable tool. It provides vital information about the car's past, including technical data, mileage, accident history, and repairs.
This report is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps you avoid cars that have been severely damaged in accidents. Such vehicles can have hidden problems, leading to costly repairs in the future.
Secondly, the report reveals whether the car has been regularly serviced. Regular maintenance, such as oil changes and technical inspections at authorized service centers, is key to ensuring the reliability and performance of the vehicle. For example, changing the oil at appropriate intervals is essential to keeping the engine in good condition and preventing major failures.
It is worth remembering that a car typically does not pose major problems during the first 4 years of its use, that is, in the hands of the first owner. It is usually the subsequent owners, the second or third, who feel the impact of improper vehicle servicing. Lack of regular inspections and the replacement of key fluids can lead to serious and costly failures, which will affect the new owner's wallet.
By checking the vehicle history report with service data, you gain confidence in the car's condition, helping you avoid unforeseen repair costs and make an informed purchasing decision.
In conclusion, checking the vehicle history report with service data is not just recommended, but essential. It protects your investment and ensures peace of mind. Whether you are buying a luxury vehicle or any other car, this small step can lead to a safe and successful purchase.